Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I know this is the first time you're seeing me on camera. You're welcome. No, I'm just kidding. Most of the time I don't put myself on camera because my hair is not done and I don't have makeup on and I'm like in pajamas, but I'm working a little bit on that, as you could see. So I've decided to post this video because I've embarked in a new adventure. As you could see from my last post, I bought a Cricut machine and it's been so much fun creating things and playing around with it. And I've decided that I wanted to open an Etsy shop store. I mean, people have been selling on Etsy for years now, and I feel like I'm a little bit behind on the whole hype about it. But I mean, I've been told so many times that it's never too late to start doing something new. So here I am, world, starting something new. This doesn't mean that I'm gonna stop doing dessert and cake related videos. I mean, it's my career, I went to school for it, it's my full-time job. It's just that I like to craft. I love to craft, and I have since I was a little girl. I mean, like, if you ever run into my mom and ask her, I'm pretty sure she has a million stories of my crafting adventures. Okay, I know I'm babbling, let me stop. And I'm pretty sure everybody's like, okay, Michelle, we get it. Now tell us, what are you gonna be selling on your Etsy shop? And I've decided I'm going to be opening a sticker shop store on Etsy. So a couple of the challenges that I've had up till now have been figuring out the printer, figuring out what paper to use. As everyone does, I feel, you have to do some research. So I've been stalking a lot of sticker shop owners that post on YouTube and seeing, you know, what kind of printers they use, what kind of paper they use, and everybody's very different. So I would go to Office Max and buy a couple packs of the sticker sheet paper to see if I could actually do this. And it worked out okay, but it wasn't the quality that I wanted. So within some of the people that I've been stalking on YouTube, they have some tutorials on how they make their stickers. So I found Online Labels. Their paper has been great. The white glossy paper for stickers, awesome. I mean, the printouts were so good for me. And the Epson Eco Tank is the printer that I will be using, and that one's been working really good for me too. I did have an issue with their clear glossy paper. So it does print, but the only thing is that the ink is taking too long to dry. So the little wheels that help the paper come out of the printer are marking on the stickers the dye, so it's running. I kind of stopped using the clear glossy paper because it wasn't working out too well, and I just went on their website last night and I saw that they have a matte clear sticker paper. So I'm hoping to order that one today and see if that one works better with the ink soaking in a little bit quicker than the clear glossy one. Another thing that I just received was the clear sleeves to put the stickers in. So they're these. I'll take one out so you can see. They already come with like the little adhesive so that when you put the sticker inside and you could seal it, it'll like glue in there. These were pretty inexpensive. I was expecting to pay a little bit more for them, but they weren't. I actually got them off of Amazon. For the sticker sheet paper, I think I paid for 100. I think it was close to $60. So it's about 60 cents a sheet. Hopefully I could get more than one sticker print out per sheet. That's where I'm at right now. I still need to find out what I'm going to use to ship out things. So if I'm going to use like the cardstock envelopes, or I'm going to use the bubble wrap envelopes to ship out, that's probably my next step. But for now, I'm just doodling and drawing stickers, and trying to get it in an organized manner on a sticker sheet. I don't have a logo yet. I have a friend who's working on it for me. So maybe by the end of this video, the logo will be done and I'll actually be able to incorporate it into the video. Well, I forgot, I'm using Procreate to actually make the drawings. If anybody ever wants to open a sticker shop store, there's so many options. Like, you don't actually have to draw them yourself. I saw somebody that actually purchases from an artist the drawings, then she paints them and then puts them on the sheet to sell for stickers. So if you can't draw, you can actually buy from an artist their designs to create sticker sheets. But I, for now, will be drawing my stickers. So this is my current setup right now. I have the Cricut Maker. It's actually the rose gold version. Super pretty. I got some of the basic tools that that Cricut offers. An extra scissor in there, extra pen. I did buy some of the foils to do some foiled stickers, but I found out later that you need to have a laser printer in order to be able to use them. So those are technically on standby right now. I have my paper cutter. I have some of the mats. Down here I have the sticker paper, the online labels. I have about 4 packs right now. I'm using these little boxes to store the stickers. I actually have the case that you could put them in. So convenient. I got this at Michael's, and basically you can just put, when you open it up, it's a little difficult to open, but when you open it up, you have all these little compartment drawers, so you could literally just put all the different stickers inside. I got it on sale. It was on $14.99 at Michael's. So I always check on Michael's coupons and see what they're going on, and they had a storage sale, so I was able to get this one. And I don't have that many stickers yet, so I only bought one, but now I know that if I need another one, I could get it from them. And then over here I have, of course, the little sleeves that I bought. Keeping them there for now. This box is a little too small for it, so I can't really close it, but for now they're there. And then I have a little binder where I'm putting all my financial stuff, receipts and all that stuff for when it comes to doing taxes for later on in the year. I also bought this paper storage metal contraption. I got this at Hobby Lobby. I've never seen a Hobby Lobby before, but they actually just opened one not so far from here. So I went for the first time, and they had it on sale for $19.99. And I also had an extra coupon, so I think I ended up paying like $15 for it. I haven't really set it up because I'm in the process of moving. I have about a month left here, and then I'll be moving somewhere else. So I didn't want to open it until I move, so that way I have it all properly set up in my new place. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this first vlog. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you want to know when I post my next video, hit the little bell so that you can get a notification once it's uploaded. Please, if you have any questions or any advice, comment down below. And if you've made it this far in the video, put a little cake emoji so I know that you've all survived. Okay, see you later. Bye.